Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here we're going to do the unboxing of MIVI Duopods M30. This Duopods was bought from Flipkart Big Billions Day and it was just on the price of $750, which is a really affordable price, and it's a made in India product. Let's do the unboxing. We got some instructions. And if you look at the MIVI pods, it's really round in a very good shape. It's like a soap. And it looks okay to me. Coming to the accessories, we'll see. And it's a micro USB. And we have the extra buds. If you see the case, it's kind of okay, like a plastic, but if you look at the cable, it's a type B cable, which is not a good thing. The latest AirPods or Duopods come with type C, but this comes in micro USB, which is a huge disappointment. And it does not have any active noise cancellation or environment noise cancellation, so which is a huge disappointment. Apart from that, this is an affordable one. If anyone is looking for a budget price to buy a AirPods or Duopods, anything, you can go for this. It's very good. And there is an indicator light, the battery percentage. And that's it guys, this is the video. The next video will be on usage of how the usage of MIVI pods, for how long it's been can be used, the advantage and disadvantage of this Duopods we'll be discussing on the next video. Thank you.